Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. For example, this one does, but if yours doesn't, basically you can open the watch face menu, tap on add watch face, search for something that displays the steps, and once you find it you can tap on it. It will be added right here to the watch face list, then you can tap on it to apply it, and this one displays the steps. Another way to display the steps is to open the activity widget, and you can swipe left on the home screen to open the widget, and here we have the step counter and the calorie counter. You can also tap on the activity widget to open the activity menu, and here we have steps. You can scroll down and you have more detailed information about the steps right here. And last way to check it is to open the menu by swiping up on the home screen, selecting the health icon, the Samsung health icon. Here you can scroll down, find the steps, and you can tap on it. And here we have the statistics for our steps. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you track the steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.